Welcome to the Innovation Forge.
Hi y'all, more weirdness while working on my Fieldsmith's Register on Systems project. I didn't even go looking for it. The floor plans shifted. Literally, they shifted beneath the admin wing while I was tracing deferred payroll workflows, no one else noticed. Of course they didn't, but where there was a door, there hadn't been one there before. No label, just brushed aluminum and a lock that it didn't require a key, only intention. Beyond it, silence. A sterile stillness broken only by the distant thrum of processing power. That's when I saw it. The Titan. 6 limbs of articulated glass and steel, humming with flowcharts in real time. Its body shimmered with dashboards. The widgets were blooming across its exoskeleton like an invasive species. Its eyes weren't even eyes, they were requisition forms. So many. Watching, approving, rejecting. It was auditing my thoughts. Every curriculum update, every job posting, every time off request whispered through its frame. I could hear them all. The inputs, the validations, the red lines. It doesn't forget. You think you pressed submit for approval. It lets you think that. Its domain isn't the interface. It's just a mask. Its realm is beneath, folded between fiscal years and benefits. It doesn't move through space. It reorganizes it. When I turned to leave, I wasn't in the same hallway. The budget office had become a vault of org charts. People walked past me with vacant eyes, their ID badges pulsing like a heartbeat monitor. One of them looked at me. Workday, the modular one beneath the fold. The modular one has no need for doors. It unfolds around you.